The Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 19. The Heart that Sets Us Apart. Core values are at the heart of every relationship. It is only worthwhile staying on the same page if you are reading from the same book. You build through careful selection and honest connection. Where would we be without trust? Just left in the shadows of ashes and dust. All important interaction is guided by clear intent and accurate presentation. Valuable content is an invaluable fuel for personal development. That which is tangible gives us a hold over reality. Positivity always grows out of the value of starting with a clarity of intention. Bad judgment is that which is clouded by our inability to perceive our inabilities. Most people start by asking the wrong questions. They begin in the middle instead of with the foundations. Communication is no exception to the rule. Dialogue requires some common ground. It requires some level of common interest. Commitments require that you constantly seek for more, that you interact with an unquestionable openness, that you become decisive in your own life, yet remove yourself from the judgment of others. Listen for things that you have never heard. Seek for things that you have never seen. Walk new paths. Study your insecurities and allow them to feed the truth back to you. Evolve where you need to evolve. Pivot where you need to prove it. Respect the time of those around you. Never allow the limitation to limit you. Codify all your content. 2. 1. Educate. Provide data and information that is relevant and acknowledge the source. 2. Integrate. Bring together similar and different aspects of a variety of topics to compare and contrast. 3. Develop. Ensure that there will be progress or growth, however slight. 4. Encourage. Push yourself into first place, only so that you can pull others up to new heights. 5. Entertain. Engage with people on topics close to their heart or their experience. 6. Innovate. Do not be left behind as others seek to upgrade their lives and lifestyles. There is always a market for fresh. Put the needs of your client or customer before the needs of the sale. This way, you never push people away from you. There is always a market for the new. The wise will, in time, learn how to articulate to others about why they do what they subconsciously do. The connection must be made before the pitch can be readied. These processes are paths to longevity. Mistakes are simple to make and often radiate. Don't be in just to be in. Understand what the difference is to live without and to live within. Don't do it just because it's cool. Do it to learn something about yourself. Learn how to manage the demands placed on you by society and culture. The construct of your world is a result of choices. To build up others should be a both beautiful and moving experience. This is legacy. Know that you can't move or influence anything without some level of collaboration. Karma comes from treating people excellently and bringing them to the well so that they may replenish themselves. Love the balance created by the lightness of trustworthy relationships. Work on your principles. Learn the value of moderation. Do not create too much, nor filter too much, nor edit too much, lest you feel less than real. This is motivation and mindset for leadership. If you are interested in online consultation, in leadership building, career coaching, relationship advice, or language skills, please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.